Fire detection in our homes is so important, you're right. It's scary to think fire doubles in size every 30 seconds. And that's why it's so important to have working fire detectors when they are home. So smoke detectors like this one here, they alert us to fires by sensing the smoke in the air, while heat detectors, they respond to rapidly rising temperatures. And don't forget your carbon monoxide detector like this one here protects against the silent killer, carbon monoxide, colorless, odorless gas that's absolutely deadly if it's undetected. With these devices, even the fixed hardwire alarms in our homes, they don't last forever. Over time, the sensors degrade due to dust and environmental exposure and just normal aging. That's why alarms should be replaced typically every 7 to 10 years, with the expiry date usually printed on the back for easy checking. So correct placement is also very important, having the detectors installed. So smoke alarms should be on every level of the home and near sleeping areas. And heat detectors, well, they're going to be best placed in kitchens, garages. Because if smoke alarms are fitted there, they give false alarms because of the steam or smoke from cooking. Then we have our carbon monoxide alarm, which needs to be placed close to the fuel burning appliances, the likes of gas or oil burners, fireplaces, wood burning stoves, gas cookers, gas fireplaces, or portable gas heaters. Proper placement ensures carbon monoxide is detected early before it reaches dangerous level. And you need to refer to the manufacturer's instructions for correct fit. So then regular testing, that's also very important. A simple way to remember it is test it Tuesday. So press the test button once a week to ensure all alarms are working, not forgetting your carbon monoxide one as well. It just takes a few seconds. And that's it. That's it. So alarms, they need to be inspected visually to make sure they haven't been tampered with or covered. Or, wrapping detectors with bags, gloves, or other materials can prevent them from working. And it's extremely dangerous. And you do see it, particularly if maintenance work is being carried out. So just be aware of that. But the main takeaway from all of this here today is simple. Fire and carbon monoxide alarms save lives, but only if they're in the right place and they're looked after and not messed with. So remember, test it Tuesday. That early warning could be the one thing that keeps you safe.